My name is Kim Fukuda, and I'm a senior aviculturist. That is basically just a fancy term for taking care of all our birds here. I am really excited to tell you about shorebirds and introduce you to some of the birds we have here at the Monterey Bay Aquarium. Shorebirds are a diverse group of over 200 species of birds that have long legs or long beaks or maybe short beaks, and somehow rely on water for eating, nesting, and resting. A lot of shorebirds live in different types of areas near the water. The oystercatcher and maybe a turnstone will live in more rocky areas, but other birds, they may be on the beach. I'm sure you've all seen little sanderlings. They're the ones that follow the waves going up and down, and they're probing as soon as the wave goes back, looking for all that food. Monterey Bay is a great place to come see shorebirds. They come here mainly for our beaches and the Elkhorn Slough, which is a great place for birding. It allows lots of shorebirds places to rest, to eat, because it's a protected area, so they feel safe and they can just live their life and find all their food and just be happy little birds. Shorebird diets are quite varied, but a lot of their diet consists of insects, crustaceans, little invertebrates, and worms, and maybe some small fish. Shorebirds also have a variety of different feeding tactics. They probe way down, or they can be tall and go out farther and find foods. And there's also like tiny little birds like the snowy plover and the least sandpiper, who are closer to the shore and they just eat things they can find right on the surface. But sometimes they're also finding microplastics that have washed up, and they are ingesting these too. Another problem shorebirds are having is when they live on the beach and people come out there and disturb their nesting. One great example is the snowy plover right here in Monterey Bay. They nest on the beach, but people like to walk on the beach too. And those nests are so camouflaged you cannot see them until you're right on top of them. We can help shorebirds in the wild by keeping our dogs on leash when we take them to the beach so they don't disturb resting or nesting birds. We can also make sure we clean up all our trash and don't leave it in their habitat. Even if it's not yours, just please pick it up and we can help these birds out. I hope you learned a little bit more about shorebirds today, and if you want to enjoy our birds a little more, you can check out our webcam and you can see them every single day, and we hope you have a great day.